clearest evidence of the right of the owner or the extent of his interest, and by which means he can maintain control and as a rule assert right to exclusive possession and enjoyment of property.
Answer.
Land title. A system for registration of land under which, upon landowner's application, the court may, after appropriate proceedings, direct the issuance of a certificate of title.
Answer.
Torn system. Originator of torn system.
Answer.
Robert Richard Torrens. An instrument in writing which any real estate or interest therein is created, alienated, mortgaged or assigned, or by which title to any real estate may be effected in law or equity.
Answer.
Deed. Conveyance of public land by government to a private individual.
Answer.
Title by public grant. Open, continuous, exclusive, notorious possession of a land.
Answer.
Title by acquisitive prescription. Alluvian being the riparian owner.
Answer.
Title by accretion. Filling of submerged land by deliberate act and reclaiming title thereto by the government.
Answer.
Title by reclamation. Voluntary execution of deed of conveyance.
Answer.
Title by voluntary transfer. Hereditary succession to the estate of deceased owner.
Answer.
Title by inheritance. For purpose of improving sad plight of tenant farmers.
Answer.
For purpose of improving sad plight of tenant farmers.
Answer.
Title by emancipation patent or grant. Land registration proceedings and all petitions after original registration of titles are filed with the of the province or city where the land or a portion or it lies.
Answer.
Regional trial court. It is the first certificate of title issued in the name of a registered owner by the Register of Deeds covering a parcel of land which had been registered under the torn system by virtue of judicial or administrative proceedings.
Answer.
Original certificate of title. The subsequent certificate of title pursuant to any deed of transfer or conveyance to another person.
Answer.
Transfer certificate of title. Governs the procedure for the judicial confirmation of imperfect or incomplete titles. It applies to lands of the public domain which have been declared open to disposition or concession by the government and officially delimited and classified.
Answer.
The Public Land Act. The Property Registration Decree covers both ordinary and cadastral registration proceedings. It supersedes the Land Registration Act and the Cadastral Act.
Answer.
PD number 1529. Recognizes the rights of ownership and possession of indigenous cultural communities to their ancestral domains and lands on the basis of native title and defines the extent of these lands and domains.
Answer.
RA number 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act. Other than the applicant, who else is being notified in an ordinary land registration proceedings? A. Director, NHAB, DAR Regional Director, C. Director, LMB of DENRD, Director General of NEDA.
Answer.
C. Director, LMB of DENR.
Answer.
Regalian Doctrine. It is a compulsory registration proceeding initiated by the government to settle and adjudicate title to lands.
Answer.
Cadastral Act. A writ issued at the institution or during progress of an action commanding the sheriff to attach the property, rights, credits or effects of the defendant to satisfy demands of the plaintiff.
Answer.
Attachment. A court order directing that money or property of a third party be seized to satisfy debt owed by a debtor to a plaintiff creditor.
Answer.
Garnishment. Is an announcement to the whole world that a particular real property is in litigation, serving as a warning that one who acquires an interest over the said property does so at his own risk or that he gambles on the result of the litigation of the said property.
Answer.
A notice of lis pendens. Administrative reconstitution of lost or destroyed certificates is governed by. It is available in case of substantial loss or destruction of land titles due fire, flood or other force majeure.
Answer.
RA 6732. The decision of the reconstituting officer or the Register of Deeds under RA 6732 is subject to the final review and or decision of the LRA administrator. He may blank the said decision, I reverse 2, modify 3, affirm A 2 and 3 BI, 2 and 3 CI and 2 DI and 3.
Answer.
BI, 2 and 3. An act to prohibit the registration of certain documents affecting real property which is delinquent in the payment of real estate taxes.
Answer.
Republic ACT number 456. Is a conditional sale of personal property as security for the payment of a debt or the performance of some other obligation specified therein.
Answer.
Chattel mortgage.
Answer.
B. Immovable. Q. In the previous question, what kind of property are the equipment for petroleum operation? A. Personal. B. Real. C. It depends on the use. D. Cannot be determined.
Answer.
B. Real.
Answer.
D. No, reclaimed land from the sea is public dominion. While waking on a street, Ricky finds a purse containing 100 pesos. Does he become the owner thereof by his mere possession? A. Yes, because the owner is unknown. B. No, possession does not make him owner. C. Yes, he found it by chance. D. No, he can be liable for stealing it.
Answer.
B. No, possession does not make him owner. Can a landowner eject a squatter on his property? A. Yes, by principle of self-help. B. No, he must call the police to eject the squatters. C. Yes, he is the real owner and it is right to eject them by himself. D. No, there must be a court order first.
Answer.
D. No, there must be a court order first.
Answer.
B. Mario.
Answer.
D. Nota. Can any of the heirs sell his her hereditary rights? A. No, he/she can't. B. It is against the law. C. They should remain as co-owners. D. Yes, he/she can.
Answer.
A. No, he/she can't.
Answer.
B. No, because the donation is void.
Answer.
C. Yes, he can.
Answer.
C. Owner is in bad faith.